Hello, in this video I will show how to install Robocode. It is fairly straightforward, though I divert from the suggestions occasionally. I already have the installation file downloaded here. I double click it and see this suggestion as to where Robocode should be installed. If you're okay with this, just click yes. I want it placed somewhere else though, so I click no, and then I have the option to update the path here. And then this time I click yes, and it is then installed. I don't want to create a start menu shortcut, so I click no, I don't need this. And here we see one way to start the program from the terminal. However, I will instead just double click the correct file in a moment. I don't need any file associations, so I just click no. This is just so if you double click a file with the suffix battle or br, it will open up in Robocode, but that's not really important to me. And then installation complete. Let's open up Robocode by going into the folder and then double clicking robocode.bat here. You'll first see a terminal opening setting up some initial things here. It then opens up to show an example battle between two robots. And that's it for now. Go to the next step in the guide. If you messed up somehow, you can just delete the folder which was created when you installed and then try again.